Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is featured in deep black metallic paint with alloy rims. We have our all-wheel drive system, rear privacy tint, power liftgate, as well as our backup camera, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated seats, and lumbar support. And now on to the interior of the Traverse. On our door panel we can see we have our soft touch black leather, chrome door handle, window and mirror controls with automatic window for the driver here. Beneath we have our power liftgate controls, speaker and storage. And side of the seat we have our power adjustable seat with lumbar support. Left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls with fog lights. And then we have our gauge cluster with screen and digital speedometer. Multifunction leather wrapped heated steering wheel with Chevrolet bow tie in the middle. And our push start, infotainment screen with backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, users for the vehicle, and Wi-Fi hotspot. We also then have our backup camera with adaptive guidelines, tow line, and there's our hitch line. Our home button, screen can fold up as well, revealing storage behind, fully felt lined, and then our radio controls in the middle. Beneath that we have our dual zone climate controls and heated seat options. You'll see these little blue lights along this strip here that go up and down depending on the intensity of our fan speed. Beneath we have our charging outlets, textured rubber pad for our phone to sit on while we're driving, gear selection stalk, manual shift option, 2 cup holders, our key with remote start and powered liftgate release, electric park brake, 4-wheel drive controls, as well as our traction control and lane keep assist, off-road and trailering mode. Let's see with which vehicle to all-wheel drive. The little light at the bottom will light up as well. Padded leather center console lid with copper stitching. Plenty of storage room inside and removable tray. Up front we'll see that copper stitching continue into our seats, which are finished in black cloth with a textured gray pattern in the lower portion. Again, these are heated seats. And above the rear view mirror we have OnStar controls, reading lights, and 3 garage door openers. Back onto the exterior we can see our alloy rims with Chevrolet bow tie center caps. We have Traverse badging in chrome, as well as paint matched mirror caps and door handles. Mirror caps have side indicators, and door handles, all 4, have chrome lock and unlock buttons. Our rear privacy tint. And around to the back we have our Traverse, all-wheel drive and LT badging, all featured in chrome. Top of that we have our chrome tip dual exhaust, power liftgate. Once that opens up we'll find inside we have plenty of storage room, rear 60/40 fold down as well as our rear bucket seats fold down, and just these handles to help lift them back up. Now on to the rear interior of the Traverse. You can see our chrome door handle, window switch, cup holder, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have our rear rear climate controls and charging outlets with our storage underneath. Back seats, we have 2 bucket seats. These are on rails with our armrests that fold down for either seat. Above we have reading lights, then again our rear 60/40. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.